Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to show you the best and easiest tricks to speed up your Windows PC or laptop. This video is important for your knowledge, so please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Right-click on the Windows logo and go to Power Options. Open Power and Battery, then click on Power Mode and select Best Performance. Number 2. Press the Windows key +R on your keyboard, then type masconfig and press Enter or click OK. You will see the system configuration window. Click on the Boot tab, then go to Advanced Options. Choose the highest number of processors available. Click OK, then set the timeout to 3 seconds. Click Apply to save the changes and restart your PC. Number 3. Right-click on the Windows logo and go to Installed Apps. Select any unwanted apps and uninstall them. Number 4. Click on the Windows logo and go to Settings. Type Storage Sense in the search bar and turn it on. Number 5. Click on the Windows logo and type Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows in the search bar. Then uncheck the animations and visual effects. Thank you for watching. Let's meet up in another video.